After working on well over 400 videos for creators that have over 1 million subscribers, I've learned that there are a bunch of lies smaller creators believe that are limiting their growth. Today I'll be breaking down 7 content creation myths, and after watching this video you'll be able to make better videos while simultaneously saving time and money because you'll be able to focus on the right things. The first lie I want to cover is that you have to be unique in order to make it on YouTube. Now, although creators like MrBeast are wildly successful because they can create unique content that has an extremely high barrier of entry, that doesn't have to be the case with every channel. Large creators often draw inspiration from other channels. You can do this by looking at other niches for guidance and then adapting their video ideas to your specific use case. For example, this channel posted a video called "Every Level of Civilization Explained," and it was an obvious outlier on their channel. 8 months later, another creator posted a video called "Every Level of Wealth in 13 minutes. Both of these ideas have something similar between them, and one might have drawn inspiration from the other one, but both of them still remain original and wildly successful. There's nothing wrong with adapting proven video ideas for your specific use case, and if anything, recognizing viral video ideas is a skill that you should build. Another way to get more people to view your videos is by identifying trends. For example, if a new season of Squid Games comes out and a ton of YouTubers are gaining views by talking about it, I could make a video titled "How Squid Games Mastered Storytelling." This would draw in viewers interested in Squid Games and content creation. This approach is similar to what I did with the Ryan Trahan video that I uploaded on my channel when I only had about 400 subscribers. I knew that there would be a lot of demand for that video, and additionally, this was a proven format ever since he did the Penny series a couple of years ago. Next false belief people believe is that you need a ton of views to make good money on YouTube. This is incorrect, as I've personally had clients who would constantly post videos that would only get 5 to 10,000 views, but they would still have a full team of employees, and I'm sure they were making good money. And here's the thing, it's not so much about how many views your videos get, but more how you monetize off of those views. If you sell your own service on top of the videos at a premium, or you have a software that your viewers will pay a monthly subscription for, getting 5 to 10,000 views per video might be more than enough. And even if that's the case, I highly doubt that you will be posting videos consistently for more than 6 months and none of the videos will break 10,000 views. That is highly unlikely, and most of the creators I've worked with might have rough patches, but eventually they get a video that does really well. And this brings me to my next point, which is consistency beats inaction. Now, back in the day, I used to think that if you have a lot of subscribers, all of your videos are gonna get good views, but that's actually completely wrong. After working with these top 1% channels for the past 7 years, I've realized that subscribers do not equal views at all. In just a couple of weeks, you could go from 200,000 views per video to 20,000 views per video. And trust me, it's not because your videos got worse. Oftentimes, a format that used to work in the beginning stops working eventually, and this can happen to multiple reasons outside of your control. Now, if you've liked the video so far, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss a future upload. It's in the creator's hands to figure out what went wrong and how to adapt to that situation. Now, just imagine for a moment that you had a business bringing in $20,000 per month, and now it only brings in $2,000. Your costs for producing the videos have stayed exactly the same and probably even exceed those $2,000. You have two options: you can either quit or you can do everything in your hands to figure out what went wrong. In my opinion, when you have a proven business model, the choice is obvious. Now, if you've ever posted a YouTube video, you probably know the feeling of spending hours or maybe even days working on the video, and when you finally post it, it just doesn't perform. Most people quit at this point, but that's actually what makes it easier for well-established YouTubers. While you're dwelling on your results, they're trying to come up with different ideas and angles on how to tackle that issue. I want to highlight a moment from Jack Pembroke's video where he talks about the first video that popped off on his channel.
I'm trying not to cry right now. So my video that I posted, it's at 5,000 views. The feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Hopefully it keeps going.
The video that he's talking about now has over 2.1 million views. But here's what's truly interesting. In the corner of that clip, we can see that his previously uploaded video called "How I Snuck into the Grammys" only has about 500 views. That same video today with what looks like the exact same title and thumbnail now has over 900,000 views. The videos he posted in the future brought over momentum to his previous videos as well. Just imagine if he had stopped after that video got 500 views. His life would be completely different. Honestly, I get why people quit. You pour hours into scripting, recording, and editing the videos just to end up with upsetting results. But here's the thing, as an editor myself, I used to believe that my videos have to be extremely well edited, but that's not entirely true. You see, at some point, it doesn't make sense to keep improving the editing of a video. That extra time could very well be spent coming up with different video ideas, polishing the video script, or anything else. Instead of trying to make every second perfect, focus on finding the right balance. Personally, I found an editing style that I can keep replicating for every video, and that saves me a ton of time because I'm reusing a bunch of the assets. Now I'm able to come up with video ideas, script them, film them, and even edit them all on my own while still maintaining some kind of consistency. If you want my recommendations, spend a bunch of time making the first 30 seconds of the video really good, and then take it easier from there. The first 30 seconds is where people will click off the most, so it's your job to convince them to stay on the video. Now, back in the day, I tried making faceless videos, but after getting the channel to over 1,000 subscribers, I talked to one of my successful clients, and they made me realize about a huge problem that I was about to face. You see, if I were to use that channel as a sales pipeline for my business, it would most likely not convert into sales that well. And honestly, that makes total sense if you think about it. Would you rather trust someone who's hiding their face, or someone who truly believes in what they're saying, and they're even willing to put their face and reputation on the line? To me, the answer is obvious. Next up, let's go over video quality. Now, I recommend you don't obsess over video quality too much. Even if you're willing to spend your money on expensive cameras and other gear, start by proving that your video ideas are good enough first. The Ryan Trahan video I mentioned earlier got over 50,000 long-form views, and I recorded it with my phone. I would, however, recommend buying a decent microphone and investing in some kind of light. You could easily get away with using a pretty cheap ring light at first. Now, as content creators, we want to serve our audience with the best videos possible. And that's not a bad thing if you don't over-obsess. Check out this quote from Mr. Beast.
But for the average person like us, who don't have these exceptional personalities and, backgrounds in filmmaking, just make 100 videos, improve something each time, and then talk to me on your 101st video. There's literally no such thing as a perfect video.
There is no perfect video, so don't over-obsess. Just make sure you keep showing up. If you do it enough times while making sure you're giving it your best shot, it's inevitable. Eventually, you have to make it.